Thank you for purchasing a MAXIM hard lid. The following instructional video outlines how to correctly and safely install a MAXIM hard lid and accessories. It is very important that all of these steps are followed to ensure correct installation. Please feel free to pause this video at any stage. MAXIM hard lid fitting instructions, standard lid. These are the parts required. These are your tools required, and please ensure you use protective safety wear. Preparing the vehicle. Remove the keys from the hard lid and attach to the customer's keys. Put a blanket in the tray. Take the gas struts and clip the fixed end onto the lid. Hinges. Centre jig on top of the front ute tub edge with tabs facing cab. Ensure the jig is centred. Measure each side until equal. Pin mark through holes in jig. Remove the jig. Note, there must be a minimum 20mm parallel clear space between the cab and the hard lid. Measure the 20mm from the closest edge of the lid and the cab of the ute. Centre punch marked holes. Drill 5mm holes. Ensure not to hit the cab with the drill whilst drilling. Drill 5mm holes out to 9mm. Blow swarf off cab. Paint drilled holes using zinc protector. Put anti-seize into riv nuts supplied. Use a riv nut gun to insert supplied M6 riv nuts. Run a bead of silicone around the bottom of the female hinge. Place female hinge on top of the riv nuts, roughly centred. Put Loctite around the thread of the M6x20 countersunk screws. Nip up each faster, do not fully tighten yet. Check the hinge centres. This is achieved by checking the left-hand sides of the hinges. Once correct, tighten with 4mm Allen key. Warning, do not over tighten. Preparing the vehicle. Remove the tub protector. Blow out the tub. Parts required. Remove the PVC from the side rails. Assemble M8x40 bolt, spring washer and flat washer. Put anti-seize into the thread of the clamp brackets. Fitting instructions for the side rails. Measure the lid from the front edge D-seal parallel to the centre of the lock. Transcribe that dimension from the inside of the front of the tub, down the side of the tub, pin mark both sides. Sit side rail on the edge of the tub with the striker central to the pin mark. Starting with the centre hole, insert bolt and washers. Position the clamp with the hole down behind the tub rail and side rail with the holes lined up. Do not over tighten. Insert other bolts at either end. Thread through to finger tight. Tighten using an impact driver Allen key. Again, do not over tighten. If you can't use a clamp bracket, please use the M6 riv nuts provided. Side rails are now complete. We're ready to lift the lid onto the vehicle. Lid installation. This is a two-person job. Insert male hinge into female hinge. Locks are in the unlocked position. Pivot struts towards the rear of the lid. Hold struts while carrying the lid. Hold lid clear of ute and carry over tub. Angle lid so that the male and female hinges come together. Swap hands to take the weight and let go of the strut arms. Pull up quick release retaining sleeve and clip onto ball. Slide quick release retainer sleeve down into the locked position. Ensure tailgate is in the closed position. Get one person to stand and do a visual inspection. Other person slowly brings the lid down. We are checking to see if the lid will close fully. Adjust gas struts if required. Ensuring a positive seal. Adjust striker height on both sides downward to ensure a tight seal and lock. Bring lid down to check compression. Once satisfied, tighten the 4 remaining nuts on the strikers. Lid install is finished. Finishing. Remove any pin marks from tub. Wipe down lid top and bottom and ensure ute and tub are tidy. Customer experience. Show the client the warning label and the QR code. Show the functions of the quick release struts. Pass over keys. You're complete. Thank you for watching this MAXIM instructional video. Please feel free to check out our range of accessories on our MAXIM Automotive website.